So, hi, uh, it's Rushikant Pawar, and okay, good morning, respected reviewers. I am the actual app developer of this app. Okay, let's start. Developer policy number one: ask the user to set your app default. So, we have asked it. Yes, this Android has rewarded me the default SMS app status automatically, as it basically depends on the API versioning. If you review the same app on equal or above Android 9, that is Pi or above, then Android will navigate you to the default apps list and you have to select the app from the provided list. It is the nature of API. Okay, why Google shows list? Because as some users might want to allow it, while some users might not allow it at all. So basically developers needs to present the option screen only. Developer policy number 2. Then display the app privacy policy without hiding anything. Disclose it all, what app does, and how app uses permissions to protect users' sensitive and private data. So let users know all. So this is a privacy policy you are seeing on the screen. The privacy policy you are seeing is a very clear and in plain and simple English language. So taken users concern. Now Google policy number 3. Then ask the user's permissions. Now let me tell you, this phone has not asked the permissions as it's running Android Oreo. Okay, so basically it's again depends on API versioning. But if you review the same app on the earlier APIs like API 23, which is Android Marshmallow, you will witness that app actually requests the permissions from the users one by one. Okay, now so users approval is taken twice as of now. Okay, for setting it as a default, and second by disclosing a privacy policy to which user has agreed. Why? Because as some users might want to allow it, while some users might not allow it at all. Now, coming to this screen, what this app does. Okay, so Insta Promo has the core functionality of sending and receiving the messages. It has optional content sharing feature for CRM purpose. Users can deny this and can use app's default SMS functionality and driving mode free for the lifetime. But if user selects allow, the app has taken the user's approval 3 times as of now. I do have ASMS app. Yes, you do have it. But Instapromo provides driving mode, text sharing, media sharing, and a scheduler too for CRM purpose optionally. Now, users can deny this and still use app as a default SMS app and driving mode free for the lifetime. But if user selects allow, The app has taken the user's approval 4 times as of now. Agree. Will sharing cost me money? It might cost you, but Insta Promo will ask you each and everything every time and multiple times before it actually starts costing you. Again, users can deny this and can still use SMS app and its driving mode free for the lifetime. But if user selects allow, then app has taken the user's approval 5 times as of now. Agree. Is it all compulsory? No, nothing is compulsory, nor preset. Even registration is optional. You can still use the driving mode and the SMS app for lifetime. Users can deny this and still use SMS app and its driving mode free for the lifetime. But if users selects allow, then the app has taken users approval 6 times as of now. I agree. Now, even if user is allowed 6 times until now, and as we are going to collect the user's personal information while signing up for the user, signing up for the app. So ask once again. Asking is registration. Though you can use this app without any registration as long as you want, you can get the demo of all our services by registering once. Even after demo expires, you would be able to use this app as long as you want it as your default SMS app. Would you like to register? Now, let's say we are going to skip this. Okay, users can still deny this and can still use it as a default SMS app for lifetime. It's because we cannot decide what users wants and what users don't want. Remember that app has taken the user's approvals 7 times as of now. Let's keep it. So the screen is a message box, message inbox or outbox, or let's say it's a threads, message threads. You can see all the messages here. It's a message box where all the conversations are displayed. As a default app, as a default SMS app, it must do it. Let's view a conversation. I am touched the conversation. Okay, so I am scrolling up and down the conversation. User can reply from here too. There is a back button here. Okay, let's compose a new message. This is a compose button. This is a add button. So Alex Peterson. Hey, let's compose it. Hey, hi, buddy. File sending. Again, kind attention. You are trying to send a text message which might cost you carrier charges. Would you like to send? Yes, send it. Message is sent. Okay, hey, hi, buddy. You can see the very first, and I am having the another phone on which I have got the SMS. Okay, so now let's exit the app and check if app handles default capabilities of a SMS app. For opening a compose SMS screen from Android phone. This is a phone application and the Alex Peterson is here and compose a SMS. Okay, so this is Alex Peterson's phone number coming from the phone app and users can write here. So let's send it again. Hey, hi again. Send it. While sending, it will again take the concern. Send. Message is sent and we are out of the app now. Okay. So let's see if app handles incoming message or not. So let's come on the main screen and now Alex Peterson will reply. Hey, hi. I am the Alex Peterson. So I have sent the message from there. Okay, so you can see message here. Now users can touch this and view. See the last one. Hey, I am the Alex. Sorry for the typo. I am Alex Peterson. So it is coming from the Alex Peterson. Okay. So let's go to the app and check Alex Peterson's, the very first one, and we have read it. Okay. Now let's see if app is capable to show the received message or not. We have already checked that. Let's see if app is capable to handle read and unread tags of the messages. Okay, now let's see. Alex is going to write a message again. Alex is writing something. I am a unread message. I am a unread message. Message has been sent. Okay, we will receive it here. Okay, so we will not open the message. We will open the app. And you can see the unread tag here. Alex Peterson, Thursday means today, unread. Now let's see. We have read it. I am an unread message. Now let's go back. Now Alex Peterson is a read message. So app handles the read or unread tags. Let's see. Also manages the Android's main core database and also writes tags, appropriate tags and handling of read and unread from the database to into the database to default Android database. Let's see if app is capable to write a received message to the Android database table. So we have already written it to the database. That is why we are seeing it here, because it's mandatory for default SMS app to write the messages into Android SMS database. Okay, now everything is done about SMS app. Now let's see overall working. So whenever user comes out from the app, as it is going to be a default messaging app, so you see there are many Chinese phone manufacturers in the market. The problem is there are 99% phones which are in market are from the Chinese manufacturers. So they invent their own settings and never allow any app to run. So we are showing users a functional warning app is optimized in battery optimization. So we will present our own application screen and we will just show a list, a choices list. If user wants to allow it, user We'll allow it from here. We are again taking the concern for opening settings. User can go there. Okay, and user can select app from all apps, and user can turn off the battery optimization. Okay, so I am currently now not turning it off. So basically what this app does is it has just choices for the users. Now let's see. Let's call Alex Peterson. We are going to check on call functionalities. Okay, so we have called the Alex Peterson and we have got two notifications. Okay, so see, we haven't sent any SMS yet nor any message yet. Okay, so first notification, register to use on call modes. Second is, so user can touch here and register. Okay, so there is another notification which is mode selection. If it is touched, user will the app will present users a choices screen. So driving mode, even if user is not registered, user can use driving mode. Once again, a warning is shown and user's concern is taken. Okay, so now driving mode is too much important. You can see even Samsung uh, has that driving mode or bike mode. There are many names for it, and which is really important. There are too much accidents happens and people lose their lives, so it is always better to provide it with a default SMS app. Now let's see, someone, Alex Peterson, is going to call me. Here is Alex. Here is Alex. Okay, now I am getting a call. I am not turning off the screen. So I am getting a call. I am getting a call. Okay, so message is sent because we are in driving mode and the app is not hiding anything. See, notification sent, message details, driving message sent to Alex Peterson. If users will touch this, see the very first, I am currently driving. So app is letting the user know what has happened. So like this, there are modes. Users can select it on their own preference. Lot of times users concern has been taken almost 10 times. After taking 10 times, if users going to select as register to use this mode. Okay, so users can go here again. We bold and blue, we use below data for providing service only, and it's our promise that we never share the details. Now if you register, we are letting users know that uh, we are collecting your details which you are typing here in bold and blue. Business name, city, Keep below field blank, keep unknown, sign up. Important. We were unable to verify your entered number, but it's all okay. Network operation may take time, so please remain on this page. Agree. So, as a default user, you are eligible. Your registration was successful and you are found as a new user. As a new user, you are eligible for 2 days demo. So user can select it driving mode. Not at all. Users will go to the message app. So nothing is compulsory. Nothing is preset. Nothing is forcefully given. Nothing is done from the background. Everything is given for the user just as a choices. Select it, use it. Even if user selects it, warning messages are there. Even if message is sent, users get it from the notification what exactly has done. Okay, there is also another facility for CRM, which is sharing facility. So it just opens a WhatsApp message or shares as images or videos. Again, everything is asked from the notifications, and just app just does its job of showing the options, and user it's all up to the users what they want. And believe me, the app does it all what a message app needs to do. And I have few recommendations for you. uh, Even if users concern and permission is taken 10 times, I am again keeps asking user from the notifications, because driving mode doesn't ask, but if the other modes are there, they ask the user. Okay, now let me tell you something about this app. This app never performs tasks of copying, transmitting, or sharing users' sensitive, protected, and confidential data. I am a very small scale developer, so why I will engage myself in gathering users' private and sensitive data. The app is developed in 100% pure Java code, which makes it so lightweight in size. Actually, it's just 1.9 megabytes, which is better for Android and runs very efficiently, as well as it is best for Play Store in listing because of its smallest size and it takes little space. The app is natively developed using Google's official Android Studio for a MacBook, and Android Lint is used to identify Android and Java warnings. I have left no Android Lint warnings, only 15 Java warnings which are falsely given, and 200 typos which cannot be avoided as package name itself. App does not use any third-party libraries nor any third-party dependencies added in the project too. App is targeting API level 30 and compiled using API 29. App has not used any of the depreciated functions nor uses any depreciated code which calls depreciated libraries as Google wants it from Android developers, as hardly as it gets crashed. It has so nicely developed and handle all the most of the cases. As a single developer, I have completed this project from design to development to testing in last 9 to 10 months. Our support persons find it really very difficult while installing the app from unknown sources. So I request you, respected reviewers, this app is very perfect and true to the declared use case and to the declared privacy policy. So please, so privacy policy is here also. In-app privacy policy is there. So privacy means let people know that what they are signing up for. In plain English and repeatedly, people are smart and some people wants to share more data than others. Ask them. Ask them every time. So we are obviously a SMS app, so the I'm taking the style of conversation, and user is asking me as a input message and I am answering it as a outgoing message. So there is a privacy policy in app too, and users can read an in-depth privacy policy document which tells you why each and every single permission is used, can be found at below link, and link is opening. Okay, so respected reviewers, everything is uh, very perfect and true to the declared use case and declared privacy policy. So it has taken my 9 to 10 months, so please respect developers efforts, and I thank you all, respected reviewers, for giving your valuable time. Thank you all and have a great life ahead, and I am stopping this video. Okay.